Hey everybody, Miss Hollywood here, and today we're going to start off with some Crescent original rolls. These are the rolls, not the sheet. Some cane sugar, the Mega Stuff Oreos, some Bluebonnet butter, and Hershey's Simply 5 syrup. And you're going to need your Power XL air fryer. But any air fryer will do. Alright, now what we're going to do is stick the Oreo inside our Crescent roll, and then we're going to roll it. And then we're going to close all the little open parts on our little crescent roll. Make sure it's all nice and tight so that none of the cream or the cookie leaks out during the cooking process. And it's that simple. So we're going to make 8 of these. Now do this for the next 7 of them. Should have 8 total. Now it's time for our Oreos to get a butter bath. Here's our butter bath. So just coat it with the butter on the top part. You don't have to do both sides. I found it easier to do one side and then flip them and then butter them and then do them again. So you'll see it works this way. So just do the top half here and give these little guys each a little butter bath dip. Alright, now we're going to put them in dessert mode on 400 degrees, and we're going to set the time for 5 minutes, so we'll be back in 5. Now look at this buttery goodness. Ooh, this is starting to look really, really yummy. Alright, so you can see on the bottom, the second half, we need to flip these guys over. Try your best. They are kind of slippery because they are buttery, but flip them over and we are going to butter bath these guys again. And we're going to do the last 5 minutes, the home stretch. They smell so good. Look how buttery they are. None of them are broken. I've sealed them all. It's looking great. They're so hard to pick up. Okay, come on, flip over. You can do it. Be careful during this. It's really hot, guys. Alright, going in for our last butter bath on the bottom side, where you can still see it's still kind of raw on the bottom, so we're going to put some butter on top, because butter makes it better, right? Alright, so coat all those guys nice, little even. Just use the rest of your butter. You're good. It smells so good. Alright, now we're going to pop them back into the Power XL. Once again, dessert mode, 400 degrees for 5 minutes. And that's it. That's all you got to do. It's that simple. Now I took them out and it was for 4 people, so I did 2 since the total was 8, so I did 2 per person. And that's what you would get if you got them at the fair. So I brought the fair to my own house and I made my own fair food. And it's actually less calories because those are actually deep fried. This is just air fried, so we're actually saving calories. but deliciously the same. Alright, so as you can see, I put both of the 2 Oreos per dish and then use toppings as you want, whatever you want to use. So here I use the chocolate syrup, and you could use powdered sugar, but I have it somewhere, I don't know, but I use granulated sugar and it did the same thing. And so you just want to put sugar on top. You could use honey, you could use cinnamon, you could use walnuts, you get my drift. You could use whatever you want. And then just a little dash of some either Cool Whip, or you could use some whipped cream, and voila, there you go. And you are done. And it only took 10 minutes to make, and probably like 5 minutes to pre-make and roll. That's it. It's so easy to make, guys. And it takes about 3 seconds to eat. Enjoy, guys.